Hi, this is Diana, and welcome to my studio. And if you enjoy mixed media, art journaling, acrylic painting, and more artsy stuff, then this channel is for you. Keep watching. And this is Maggie Moo, the twin sister of Cassie, who was in my last video. And I got her already with the name Maggie Moo because she has markings like of a cow, black and white. And she just jumped on my lap and wanted some pets. So here I am in my Etsy store, and I thought some people might be interested in a video like this because it would show artwork that I don't create on YouTube. A lot of artwork that has not been created on YouTube. Some of it, there's a few in here that have been created on YouTube, but most of it is artwork you probably haven't seen of mine, and I just thought you might be interested in seeing some of this artwork, the kind of artwork that I have on sale in my Etsy shop, which I started in 2018, just a few months ago. So here's my banner, and on my banner I also include my exhibits, some of my exhibits and press. So I did show at the Delaware Art Museum. I've showed at the Trenton City Museum. I've shown in the Philadelphia Art Museum, in group shows, and in the Trenton Times. There was a couple of articles that had been written about me and my artwork in the Trenton Times. Now these are my 3 featured artworks, and 2 of them have been sold, so that's why I kind of featured them. And you can feature up to four things in that area. I featured 3 things. Here's a close-up now of Here Comes the Sun, which is a digital artwork, which I create entirely on my iPad in a very professional, top-notch app called Procreate. It's one of the best apps you could get for creating art on the iPad. And it's available in 2 sizes, 8x10 or 11x14. It doesn't say here that it's available framed, but any of my artwork, if you contact me, is available framed. So I got a really good response from this artwork. Okay, right there's the pop-up box that shows you the dimensions that are available with the prices. And I was really happy how this artwork turned out. And if you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications of future videos. And all my prints are archival prints. That means that they are printed on acid-free paper with fade-resistant inks, also archival inks. So, and it is art prints that I mostly sell in my shop. That's the thing that I sell the most, that I have the most of that in inventory. And now you can see different views of how it would look in different rooms, in rooms with different colors. And here is, if you're a new shopper, you get 25% off if you join my VIP mailing list, emailing list. And it gives you all the details. It's in every item. When you look at all my pictures, images, this is included in the row of image views of each picture. So it gives you the details on how you would join my VIP email list, and that's how you would get 25% off. So back to the front page, in my shop I do mostly sell archival prints of my original artwork, mostly prints of my digital artwork. I also, as you can see there, I have 2 handmade junk journals, and I also sell original artist trading cards, which are 2.5 by 3.5 inches. Also, art journal and junk journal embellishments. So here's a close-up shot of the handmade art journal, which I would categorize it more as a handmade art journal rather than a junk journal. So here's some inside views. A few of the pages. I couldn't show all the pages. They don't give enough room for that, but there's a lot of room for journaling, or if you want to do artwork in the journal. And it's a winter themed art journal, all handmade with a burlap lace cover. That shows you how much room there'd be left in there to add your own things, which could make it bulkier, and there's enough space to allow for that. Now, this artwork was inspired by the 2 blood moons that we had this year in 2018. And one of them was a lunar eclipse. I'm not sure if both of them were a lunar eclipse, but definitely they were both blood moons. And I was greatly inspired by that. Showing different views. Now, this is one of my original art pieces, art paintings. It's mixed media, watercolor with acrylic paint, and it does not come framed. It's 10 by 14 inches, and it is an original. It's not a print. That is original mixed media artwork. It looks like it's framed, but it does not come framed. Now here is what one of my framed prints look like. It is matted on white mat board and then framed in a black frame. All of them are framed like that. And in the pop-up on the right, you can see the different dimensions and prices. Now showing different views and different kinds of rooms, whether it be a bedroom, living room, a sitting area, different color rooms. Now this is an original artist trading card, which is 2.5 by 3.5 inches, and I have sold quite a few of them because some people do collect them. This is painted with watercolor and texture paste, and also incorporates some collage. It is original, so it's also, some people like to collect miniature art. It would be considered miniature art as well. This is an original watercolor. It's all watercolor, 10 by 14 inches on paper, and it does not come framed, but I'm showing a framed picture there, but it does not come framed. Another original artist trading card at 2.5 by 3.5 inches with steampunk style. And another original artist trading card with a 3-dimensional relief. These are digital download collage sheets. They are made up of different sections of original art that I put together as a compilation. that can be used for your own mixed media art or art journaling. And the beauty about digital downloads is that they are so inexpensive at only $3.50. You get the download and you can print it off as many times as you want. And here's another digital download. This is an archival print of my abstract wildlife. Again, kind of like pop art wildlife style. And this one is very versatile, like it could be in a nursery, could be in a living room, a den or a family room, kids room. And down here are reviews. So some people are very kind to leave a review after they've received a product, and all of those are 5-star reviews. These are shop updates. It shows you kind of like a behind the scene image of some of the prints that are for sale. So there you see me painting that in progress. Actually, that goes with a YouTube video. I actually painted that painting on YouTube in a video. This one, it shows you a shopping art supply haul that would have gone with that artwork. And then now that's a painting in progress. That's a video that you can play that shows some of my digital art in progress. Some art supplies. That's me in my studio several years ago, working on quite different work than I work now. That was an experiment, working on a painting that's so large. So back to the home page, and I hope you enjoyed looking at some of the artwork that you may not have known that I have created. So please let me know in the comments down below.